Hey guys, welcome back to Miss Shan's Shorty Recipes. Thanks again you guys for joining me for yet another quick and easy recipe. Merry COOKMAS Day 19. Hopefully you guys are all doing well. I send you best wishes. For today's meal, we're going to make a twist on the traditional meatball. We're going to go ahead and make some enchilada meatballs. So these are going to be homemade baked meatballs, but we're going to infuse them with a wonderful enchilada flavor that's going to give us all the great warm and fuzzy feelings of Taco Tuesday, but within a meatball. So hopefully you guys are ready for this recipe. If so, please go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, drop me that comment down below. Hope you're enjoying COOKMAS. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still are not subscribed, go ahead and do me a favor. Hit that subscribe button and that bell to be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. So let's go ahead and get started. So guys, these are the enchilada meatballs. They are full of all the flavors that you would have within a traditional enchilada. Of course, this is made my way, so hopefully you guys enjoy the recipe. Definitely give it a try. Thanks for stopping by today, guys. If you did enjoy the video, go ahead and leave me a thumbs up. Also, you can drop me a comment down below. Let me know if you've ever had enchilada meatballs before. Share this video out. Definitely appreciate that. And if you still have not subscribed, go ahead, hit that subscribe button and that bell so you can be notified of every time I drop a new video, especially during COOKMAS. You guys take care and thanks for watching. Bye guys.